Jeff Bezos once said, if you double the number of experiments you do per year, you're going to double your inventiveness. This quote captures the essence of agile and startups and DevOps, rapid experimentation and continuous improvement. In this lecture, we will explore the combination of agile and DevOps. We will also learn how they enable organizations to innovate quickly and adapt to changing markets. This lecture will help you to understand the synergy between Agile and DevOps, focusing on practices like continuous integration and development. Learn how Agile helps startups innovate and adapt to fast changing market demands. Agile and DevOps complement each other by focusing on speed, collaboration, and quality. Agile emphasizes interactive development, while DevOps ensures smooth operations through automation and continuous delivery. Together, they create a smooth workflow that delivers value faster. Continuous integration (CI). Agile teams do small code changes and DevOps automates tests to detect and fix errors. Continuous development (CD). DevOps enable Agile teams to deploy updates regularly without disruptions, ensuring faster user feedback and improved features. For example, at Netflix, Agile and DevOps work hand in hand to enable daily updates to their platform. Features are continuously tested, integrated, and deployed. This ensures the platform runs smoothly for millions of users worldwide. Startups grow on innovation and adaptability. Agile provides a framework for experimentation and quick iteration. Rapid prototyping. Startups can create and test prototypes quickly that minimizes waste and maximizes learning. Pivoting with agility. Agile allows startups to pivot their strategies based on customer feedback or market changes. For instance, Instagram started as a check-in app but shifted to photo sharing after analyzing user behavior. Agile's adaptability allowed them to pivot successfully and dominate the social media space. Startups that integrate Agile and DevOps can achieve remarkable efficiency and scalability. Let's understand the underlying connection between Agile and DevOps. Improved collaboration. Agile promotes teamwork, while DevOps bridges the gap between development and operations. Faster time to market. Startups can release features more quickly, gaining an edge over competitors. Scalability. As startups grow, Agile's flexibility and DevOps efficiency ensure they scale seamlessly without losing quality. For example, Slack used Agile and DevOps principles to develop and refine their product quickly. This, as a result, incorporated user feedback at every stage to create a platform loved by teams globally. Design a DevOps pipeline for an Agile sprint. Include tasks for continuous integration and deployment, and present your approach to the class. Agile and DevOps aren't just methodologies, they are a mindset. Together, they enable organizations to innovate and deliver value quickly. For startups, these principles are especially important. They provide the flexibility to pivot and efficiency to scale. Let me know what stood out for you in this lecture and any areas where you would like more depth or examples. Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture.